on the way to Kati.
We are here at Singapore's Bird Paradise, Asia's largest bird park, spanning 17 hectares within Mandai Wildlife Reserve. This sanctuary is home to more than 400 species. You can explore 8 expansive walk-through aviaries, each designed to replicate diverse global habitats from African rainforests to South American wetlands.
The smelliest of bird paradise is
Flamingos and pelicans. You smell them immediately.
pretty but smelly.
Pink but smelly.
Okay, we are taking a kind of stroll through 2 different what's that called? Parks? Enclosures. Aviaries, yeah. So we are doing 2 aviaries before we go into the penguin feeding. Yeah, penguin feeding show.
There's so many bluebirds here, so nice.
Yeah.
We're inside the giant enclosure.
Yeah. I love how it doesn't make us feel like we are in an enclosure.
Yes, yeah, right?
Yeah, I mean it's still quite hot. Just dripping today.
Good overall experience. Come to the bird paradise, guys, and
contribute
to the conservation effort.
Are you secretly working for Mandai?
Baby commission. Tag at Mandai Wildlife Reserve.
Hashtag. Yeah. We want to see that. We want to see the pigeon.
The blue pigeon. So still.
He's looking at you.
I know. I don't even get to say.
I want to see that.
The pink one?
The cockatoo, yeah.
Nice one.
The one that we want to see. We want to see Cock of the Rock.
Today's mission is to find Cock of the Rock.
Okay, let's go. We almost missed that one. It looks like a brunch.
Who's sleeping like that?
Maybe this also food coma. It's like walking backwards. Yeah, we got to see at least one thing that we wanted to see. Yeah. I think either way it's just like
It's like dark.
yeah.
But at least we finally see it.
Oh my god, at least we found it.
Blue, and then I have to hold myself back.
Go closer lah, cannot see what. Maybe not used to this kind of thing.
Aviary is your favorite?
I do like the songbirds, the songs of the forest. But I still think my favorite would be that bird that we totally didn't see blend right into the tree.
Oh, that one is
one
the
that was
Australian ibex, right?
Yes.
Time to say goodbye.
Before it starts to pour.
I think it started already.
Yes. Thank God for the weather.
Yay!
Till
But
next time, Monday.
it was very nice though. Like I was pleasantly surprised.
Yay! Very interactive. 10/10 would recommend.
Yes, very children friendly too. But if you're adults, maybe avoid the weekends.
Yeah.
So you get more. But I mean, it wasn't that crowded anyways. Like
Actually, it was okay.
yeah.
It turned out alright.
All right. See you. Bye bye.
See you.
You also want to shimmy shimmy yay shimmy.
Shimmy, shimmy, yay, shimmy.